Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we learn verb conjugation. Verb conjugation is very important. We use verb conjugation in order to make a sentence. A sentence is correct if you have written correct verb with the correct subject. Subject and verb, it's a relation. We conjugate the verb always with the subject. And take care, verb position is always second in an affirmative sentence. Or verb is written with small alphabet. So I have written few sentences here for the practice, and there is a verb in bracket at the end of all the sentence, and we have to conjugate these verbs according to the subject. So first sentence, hello, we do. So the verb is heißen. How do we conjugate? Hello, we. If you know the correct answer, you can write please below in the comment section. I will correct your answer. We heist do. You know, with do we used st, since it is already s set, so we don't write extra s, only t. We heist do. Hello, how are you called? In German, we ask the name like this. Hello, how are you called? Or what is your name? But we use wie heißt du in formal question. Second, Romeo dash aus Spanien, and the verb is common. We have to conjugate this verb. Romeo is third person, Romeo kommt aus Spanien. Third person, always T ending. So Romeo comes from Spain. He comes from Spain, he belonged to Spain. Okay, he was born in Spain. Okay, so Romeo kommt aus Spanien. Third sentence, blank seit 2 Jahren in Berlin, and the verb is wohnen. We have to conjugate the verb wohnen. You know, is also third person, so T ending. This is our root, wohn, and we write here T. We cut en and write T. So the answer is wohnt. He lives since 2 years in Berlin. 2 Jahren. It's dative preposition seit, means since. He lives, okay, or he has been living since 2 years in Berlin. Wohnen is the verb. Next sentence, fourth, Mia dash Spanish, English und Deutsch, and the verb is sprechen or sprechen, to speak. Now this is irregular verb, so here E change into I, and of course Mia is third person, she, so we cut en and we write T here. T ending. So what is the correct spelling? Mia spricht. Mia spricht means Mia speaks. S-P-R-I-C-H-T. This is the correct answer. Mia spricht Spanish, English und Deutsch. Mia speaks Spanish, English and German. So this is the correct verb conjugation. You have to learn this conjugation, whether it's a regular verb or irregular verb. You have to be extra careful with the irregular verbs because spelling is changed. Like here sprechen, E change into I. Next sentence, number 5. Was blank Z. It's formal Z, S capital. In between S is capital, it is formal. So the verb is studieren, to study. So it's a question, interrogative question, W Frage question. So we write, what are you studying? What do you study? In German we say was studieren Sie. So it's formal Z. We do not change anything. We write as it is. Same spelling, same alphabet. Was studieren Sie means what are you studying? What do you study? It's the same sentence in German. Was studieren Sie means what are you studying or what do you study? That's it. Number 6, Herr Meyer blank Anwalt. The verb is sein. Now sein verb takes the conjugation like bin, bist, sind. Like in English we have to be. Sein means to be. So we say is, am, are. So Herr Meyer is a third person. Mr. Meyer is advocate. Anwalt means advocate, lawyer. So ist is the verb, is. Mr. Meyer is an advocate. Ist means is. It's so simple. Next, now we see this side of the board. I have written few more sentences. Number 7, ich blank seit einem Jahr Deutsch, and the verb is lernen. So lernen is the verb and we conjugate ich, e ending, lerne. Ich lerne. I am learning since 1 year German. I have been learning German since 1 year. Seit is a dative preposition. So seit einem Jahr. I have been learning German since 1 year. So ich, the ending is e ending. Ich lerne. Next, it's a question. W family. Was, then du von Beruf, and the verb is sein. Again sein. So it means what are you by profession? What is your profession? What do you do? What is your job? In German, this is the correct way to ask. Was bist du von Beruf? So bist is informal, we use bist. Okay, was bist du von Beruf? What are you by profession? Sein is the verb. Beruf means profession. Beruf means profession. Number 9, it's again question, but this is ja, nein question, means answer is either yes or no. This kind of question starts with the verb always. So blank, du gern Kartoffel, and the verb is essen, to eat. Kartoffel means potato. So the question is, do you like to eat potatoes? Do you like to eat potatoes? So we start with the verb and the verb is essen. So with du, it is also irregular. So e changes into I. Isst du gern Kartoffel? The question is, isst du gern Kartoffel? Do you like to eat potato? Isst du? Last sentence, er blank einen Kaffee, and the verb is trinken, to drink. So a sentence is, he drinks a coffee. So he is a third person and the verb is trinken, t ending. Since it is a regular verb, no change, just we put t at the end. Er trinkt einen Kaffee. So that's all in this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you find it interesting and informative. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.